Hello everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming through Java session. Myself Navya, I am an assistant professor of CSIT department from MLR Institution of Technology, and today in this session we are going to see this super and final keywords. So here in today's session we are going to discuss this keyword, super keyword as well as final keyword. So what is this keyword? So this keyword can be lot of usage in Java, and in this Java, this reference variable, this is a reference variable which refers to the particular current object. So this is referred to the particular state and particular object. Okay. So what will be the usage of this object is, this is used to refer current class instance variable as well as it is used to current class method implicitly, and it is used to this keyword, this method is used to invoke the current class constructor, and this can be passed as an argument for a method call, as well as you can pass this as an argument for the constructor call, and this can be used to return a current class instance for a method. So let us see an example for this. Class A So M is a method and N is another method. Here I am calling the M method inside this. So I have created a class called A. In that I am having three methods. One is M, N and main method. Here I am in M method I am taking a variable called X and I am initialized with 10 and I am printing the X value, and in N I am printing a small message called hello all and I am calling the M method. Okay, and next here in the main I have created a variable for a particular class and I am calling the N method. So here what N method, it will print hello all and M. So this is normal method. Here instead of this M I can use this dot M. So I will get the same output, hello all and M. So this is how you can write the program like M as well as this dot M. It refers to the same content. So this is used to refer to the particular object, current object. So if I am having a constructor, for example, simply I can use this method. I'm not calling any methods here. I'm simply calling this. Okay. New a dot n method I'm taking, I'm saving it. There I have called okay, I can call it as this dot m method. This dot m method, when I call it, I can have I'm a constructor hello all and 10. This is how we'll use this keyword in Java. And next, coming to the super keyword. Super keyword is used in Java as a reference variable for the immediate parent class object. So, super keyword is used for immediate parent class object here. So, when you create an instance for a subclass, if you want to call the super class reference variables, you can call it using super keyword, or it can be immediately called parent class instance variable, as well as super can be used to invoke immediate parent class method as well as immediate parent class constructor. Let us see a small example of this. I am having a class, I am taking it as a parent class. Okay. So, here I am having int a equals to 10 and a method int void m. I can have a constructor also here, which is parent. I'm simply having a message here. I'm a parent class constructor. Okay. Here m, simply I'm having a message system.out.println. I'm a parent class method. This is a parent class method. Okay. And this is a parent class. And now I'm creating a child class. Child extends parent. Here in this, simply I'm having a method. I'm taking a method void n. I just want to have a method system.out.println. I'm a child class method. In the same way, I just want to take one parent class constructor also. Okay, first we'll have this, and next here I am calling. I just want to create the constructor of child class, child, and here I just want to call the superclass constructor. So I can use superclass followed by open and close parenthesis. Now I can have one message here, system.out.println. I'm a child class constructor. Okay, I am closing it. Now I just want to create a class demo. In that I am creating a class public static void main. String arguments. Now here I am creating child class, child C equals to new child. Here I am calling a constructor of child class. So in child class constructor we are calling the super method which will invoke superclass constructor. Simply C dot N. I am calling the child class method which I am taking the value of super dot A value as well as I am calling the method of superclass also here. Okay. Demo.java. Now Java C demo.java. So, I did not close here. So I don't have any errors here. Now Java demo. See, first it was going, I'm a parent class constructor. We have called the superclass constructor in child class constructor first. So it was printing I'm a parent class constructor. Now it was printing child class constructor. And first the parent class constructor is invoked, then the child class constructor has been gone, and next the child class method. After that we are calling the parent class method, right? So parent class method, and it was printing a value which is present in the parent class that would be invoked using super. So a equals to 10. So this was an example program for super keyword. Next, coming to the final keyword. So here the final keyword in Java used to restrict the user. So the final can be, you can use the final keyword to a variable or a method or a class. So here this is applied to the variables as well as if you does not want to change the value of a variable, you can use final keyword, and the final variable will be, it should not be blank first of all, and next it can be initialized in the constructor only, and next it can be static, which is initialized in static block only, and using this final keyword. So why we are using the final keyword is to have the constant values. So using final to a variable that can restrict changing value or a variable. For example, the best example of you can have it as a pi equals to 3.14. The value will get changed? Never. So this value, if you want to have a variable with value and that should never change in any of till end of the program, here you can use the final keyword to while creating that particular variable. And next, final method. If I just don't want to override the method, then I has to use final keyword for this. And next, to avoid the inheritance. So if I am a class, I just don't want to change I just don't want to share my properties, behavior and variables to other classes. Then my class, I can have it as a final class. So I just want to have a small example program of this. Simply class A, and it having final A equals to, sorry, I can have pi value, pi equals to 3.14, and this is float. and I'm having a public static void main. I want to change the pi value. Pi equals to some phi, for example. See here, I am getting the example error here. If I am trying to change the value here, incompatible types possibly loss from double to float. And next, non-static variable pi cannot be referenced to the static text phi, and it non-static pi variable can be referenced to static context. So I could not change the value here. See here, if I does not want to change the value, simply, so I am getting the value here 3.14. So here, in order to have the value directly, I can go with this. So I could not go the value directly, I can go with the constructor. So this is what the final keyword. So what we have learned in today's session, what is this keyword? This keyword refers to the current object. And next we have seen super keyword. Super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class, variable, method or constructor. And next we have seen final keyword. Why final keyword is used? To avoid, to create constant values which will not change further, and next to restrict overriding, method overriding, and to restrict inheritance, we are going to use final keyword. So this is what we have seen in this session. Thank you for all.